Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to sell products without selling. Yes, you heard that right. This video, I'm going to be going over exactly how you could sell products without having to convince someone to want to buy, your product that you're of course offering. And this will work with pretty much anything that you want to promote, whether it is affiliate products, whether it's in a network marketing company, whether you have your own product you're looking to sell. This video will show you exactly how to sell products without having to convince someone to want to buy that specific product. But before I get into things, if this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new videos on a regular basis, Monday through Friday, that will show you how to do affiliate marketing, how to grow an online business, and how to create a passive income right online. So if you enjoy those kinds of videos, make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below and take that bell icon to be notified of all the new videos I post right on this channel. But without further ado, let's get right into things. All right, so I want to start this video off by sharing you a personal story of mine, just so you can of course kind of get to of course know me better. But what happened was back in I want to say late 2017. So this is around like November or December of late 2017. I joined this business opportunity, right? So they had these digital products, and the price points for these products ranged anywhere from $25 up to $2,000. And the benefit with this program is that anytime you get a sale, you get the full 100% commission. So for example, if you referred someone to buy the $2,000 product, that would be $2,000 right in your pocket. So that was the thing that really got my attention about this program. And when I initially joined that, the thing that I was told to do was to use their replicated website and just drive traffic to it. So what they provided to each of their members was these like pre-built pages, that pretty much did all the selling for you. So like it had like like a landing page right here, and it had like a little headline. This new system is helping our members like earn these massive commissions. If you want to learn more, enter your name and email down below, and you can, of course, learn more about it right there. And then right here, there was a little sales page along with a sales video that pretty much went over exactly what the whole business was all about. How you could earn all this money and that type of stuff. And that's pretty much what this video pretty much went over. And of course, at the end, it gave a call to action saying like, if you want to, of course, get into this, then you can click on the button down below and head on over to the program. And then, of course, if anyone went through this process and they went through the funnel, they clicked on the link, and they decided to buy one of the packages, you'd of course get paid a commission. Now, here's what happened to me. I was told to use this replicated website, and I was told to just send just a bunch of people straight to this software right here. Now, here's the issue that I had kind of run into when I started doing this. So I was told to, of course, get lots of people over to this page right here. And then once they, of course, request more information, then, you pretty much let the video do all the selling and telling for you. So that was kind of the whole idea about it. But the issue that I had kind of run into was I got really great when it came to getting people onto this page right here and getting them to opt in and, request more information. However, when it came to this page right here, I couldn't necessarily get them to convert. Now, I sent a lot of traffic over to this capture page that I had. I spent a lot of time, spending money on traffic. And one other thing that I did every now and then was I would go on Facebook groups and I would try and promote my offer on groups like these. So kind of like what a lot of these people on here are doing right now. A lot of these people are just kind of pitching their opportunity, saying like, "Hey, I got this amazing new little business opportunity right here, and we're gonna allow you to make these big commissions. If you want to learn more, just type info and that type of stuff." As you can see, there's even like people like in the comments, saying like, "Oh, you could earn this money, daily," and that type of stuff. So a lot of people just kind of competing for everyone's attention, and I was kind of doing kind of the same thing as well. And the issue that I had run into was I couldn't make any sales whatsoever, pretty much for the life of me. So what I later learned, and this was after like years of like going through lots of trial and error, spending lots of money on traffic, spending lots of time on trying to get people to join into this offer. I was even spending lots of time, like cold messaging people. So one other thing that I used to do was I used to go to groups like these, and I would go to like where it says the members here, and I would just try to start up a conversation with a bunch of strangers and try to sell them that way. And I just was never able to become successful at this. So this was something that really frustrated me for a very long time, and I just wasn't really able to get those long-term results. But I want to go over exactly what I've of course learned since I have I've been mentored. So what I've of course learned is if you want to really sell anything online, if you want to learn how to sell products online without having to, actually sell people, without having to convince someone to want to buy that specific product, what you want to do is you want to focus on providing value before you ask anyone to, of course, make that purchase. So really how you really want to think of it, how you want to think about it, like you want to think of it like this, right? People buy from those that they know, like, and trust. So, regardless of how great your product is, regardless of how great of a compensation plan it is that you have, or regardless of what you have to, of course, sell or promote online, people are only going to buy stuff from you if they actually trust in what it is that you're of course offering. So if they don't fully trust you, if they don't fully know you, then they're never going to buy anything that you have to sell to them, regardless of how great the product is. So what you want to do is you want to focus on providing value up front before you ask for the sale. And the way that you want to go about this is you want to have, first of all, you want to have your own sales funnel built up. So that consists of a landing page, kind of like what I had kind of drawn out earlier. But what you want to do here is you want to have your own custom landing page where, it's not like the same one that the company provides you, but it's your own custom landing page that you've, of course, built yourself. And, there's tools that allow you to build out these, like, there's ClickFunnels is what I use personally. I know there's other ones like, Kartra or Builderall is a very popular one. But me personally, I use ClickFunnels. And, of course, you want to check that out for yourself. You could always get a free 14-day trial if you want to, of course, check that out for yourself. But anyways, what you want to do is you want to build up your own custom sales funnel. And this consists of a, first of all, a landing page. When someone lands on this page right here, it has like a headline, like, would you like to learn how to make money online? Would you like to learn how to get six-pack abs? Would you like to learn how to find the love of your life, right? If they, of course, want to learn more, they can enter their name and email down below, and that'll take them to the next page right here. So on the next page, you can create what's known as a thank you page, or also known as a bridge page. And this is where you could, of course, introduce yourself to your potential customers. So what you could do is you could either, provide some text here, write out like a story, or what you could even do is you can make your own video. So that's actually what I would recommend going for, is making your own video, because for a few reasons, videos are known to build up that trust factor much quicker. And, the other benefit with this is that you only really have to make this whole thing one time, and you could use this entire thing to sell the product over and over and over again. So in this video, what you could do is you could pretty much share your story in terms of, what you've of course learned from the current program you're going through, the current training that you're of course offering, or if it's a physical product that you have to promote, you could talk about how it's helped you, because you have to remember that regardless of what you have to offer, people buy things mainly because they are looking to experience pleasure, or they're looking to escape from pain. So what you want to focus on here is you want to share your story in terms of how it has, of course, helped you in your life. And then at the end of your video, you can give a call to action, and you could say, hey, if you want to actually check this out for yourself, you could just click the button down below, and that will take you to where you could, of course, check this out for yourself. And then that is where you could then send them to, the offer that you're, of course, promoting. So this is a much better way of going about it, because when you have your own sales funnel built up, you immediately set yourself apart from, the other average people that are, of course, trying to sell the same thing. And it just much better if you have your own sales funnel in the long term. And again, the benefit with this is that you only really need to build this out one time. And even if they don't necessarily buy the product on the front end, what you could do is you could, when they of course enter their information on your landing page, they go into your email list, right? And this is where you could follow up with them, down the road. So what you could do is you could use what's known as an email autoresponder to set up a sequence of emails that go out pretty much on autopilot. So the benefit with this is that you could write out a series of emails that you of course write out one time, and they go out for you on your behalf, within the next, 5 days, within the next 10 days, within the next 15 days, whatever it is that you want. And you can use these emails to get them back to the offer at any point, or you can, you could provide more value. You could, put a video out for them. You could share another story. You could, give more tips on, what you're of course helping them with. Of course, this of course is depending on, the type of products that you're of course promoting. But if you're promoting like information products on how to do affiliate marketing or how to build a business online, you could make like, like another video, and you could provide it to your email list. You could provide, you could send them to like a video, and you could pretty much share something that you've of course learned from what you have learned in your program. And then this is how you can of course build up trust with your audience. And the more you do this, the more consistent you are when it comes to you know building out lots of value for them, then the more likely they are going to be to of course want to buy that product. Now, one other thing that I want to show you here to really take this a step further is what you could do is you could even provide some sort of free lead magnet. So instead of sending people straight to the offer and just having them buy it right away, what you could do is instead of sending people straight to like a thank you page and then to the offer, you could provide something for free on the front end. So this could either be either a free ebook, or it could be like a free video series, right? Video series. And if they of course want to get that free training, they could just enter their information, and then it'll take them to like, say, like video 1, for example, right? So you could have like a series of maybe like 4, 5 videos that you've of course created. Like in my case, what I did is I built up a sales funnel, and it pretty much goes over the 4 main components to really build up a long-term business online. If you want to actually check this out for yourself to get a much better idea of really how this all works, you could check out the first link down below, and that link will take you to my free training, and that'll pretty much go over exactly how you could build a long-term business online. And also it'll give you an idea on what you could of course try and replicate if you are looking to sell pretty much anything online. So whether it's information products, whether it's physical products, whether it's your own products, whether it is like a network marketing opportunity or some sort of business opportunity, you could use this strategy to pretty much sell or promote really anything online that you want. So this strategy is known to work very, very well. And if you of course take action on it, then it's something that will make selling whatever it is that you have a lot easier. But again, you could provide like a free training. You could provide like a 4-day training, where 4 videos go out within the next 4 days of them opting in. Again, you could provide them a free ebook. There's a whole bunch of things that you could do to build up trust with your audience on the front end. And again, the benefit with this is that you really only have to build all this stuff out one time. But once you do that, once you have a great marketing system, a great sales funnel built up, and a great follow-up sequence, then really all you have to do is just focus on getting the right people over to your offer. And the way that I've actually gone about it is I decided to become a YouTube influencer. So I've decided to focus on building up a YouTube channel. I focused very heavily on putting up videos that pretty much go over, exactly what, my niche is all about, how to build a business online, how to do affiliate marketing. So I create lots of videos like that. And then inside of my video descriptions, I have links to where anyone who watches my video can check out the offer that I'm of course recommending. And instead of sending them straight to the offer, what I do is I send them through my sales funnel. And this of course builds up the relationship pretty much on autopilot, where I don't have to be there, physically trying to sell something to someone. I don't have to be, in Messenger trying to convince people one-on-one to buy that specific product, because I have an entire system that does all this stuff for me. So if you want to actually check this out for yourself, again, you can click the first link down below, and that will take you to my free training that I've put together on how to really build a long-term business online and how to create a passive income as well. So that's really the benefit with this training. That's pretty much what that all goes over. And again, you could use this training to as like an idea to pretty much sell anything that it is that you want online. So that's really the main benefit. But anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give this a thumbs up because it really does help the channel. And hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.